So it's that time of the month when you receive your salary, you're happy, time to do obli. Come, wait, oh, this is another year, and this is January. Are you not supposed to start saving? Are you not supposed to start saving? Anywho, I know some of you say, "Oh, how much is my salary? My salary is not much. I don't have so much. In fact, it's not even enough." Well. 10,000 naira is enough. I know it may seem like, it's too much for you, but what if I told you that this small amount of money can start your journey to financial freedom? You would no longer, in the next 12 months, you would not be thinking of, oh, the whole year has passed and I did not achieve anything. No. Or you would see people who open their kolo and they're telling you and they're showing you how much they have saved. You'll be better than them because yours will yield interest. They put their money in the bank or they put their money in kolo, the small saving box, if you do not know what kolo is. And it just basically gives you the same amount of money. It does not double in any way. But I'm about to show you how 10,000 naira can change your financial situation. No long talk, no unrealistic promises, just real practical steps that you must have heard about, but you would not have paid attention to them. Yes, that is why I'm here to give you the tea. And you can start right away. Even if you feel like you're broke, 10,000 naira is enough to start right up. Disclaimer, I am not a financial expert. This is not a financial advice, just simple methods that have worked for many Nigerians to make money or increase their financial status. Step number 1 is to build a basic savings habit. Yes. Before we talk about investments, let's fix the biggest problem, saving money. If you don't save money, how would you invest? It doesn't matter if it is 2,000 naira or 5,000 naira, just start saving. Now you'll be asking, where do you save? There are platforms you can save on, like PiggyVest, the safe lock. You can lock your money and earn up to 15% interest per year. Now you see that that's the difference between someone who is putting their money in kolo, because there's really no interest. In fact, many people say that sometimes the money even reduces, or it's not even up to the expectation of what they were, or of what they were thinking they would get. Another platform is Cowrywise. Yes, you can choose their savings plan. You can save little by little and earn 8 to 10% per year. So, for example, if you save 5,000 naira every month for 6 months, that's 30,000 naira saved, yeah? But you get 10% interest. You can earn an extra 3,000 to 4,500 just for keeping your money safe. Interesting, right? So here's a challenge for you. This is January ending. In fact, the last day of January. Start with 1,000 naira today. Screenshot it and drop done in the comments. Let me see you do it right away. Those platforms are free, and so far there has been no complaints about their services. So go ahead and sign up and start this challenge immediately. I'll be looking out for those who dropped done in the comments. Step 2 is to invest in mutual funds. Yes, 5,000 to 10,000 naira is enough. Mutual funds are like a group of investments. You put in your money and professionals invest for you. If you do not know anything, you're a beginner as regards to investment, this is an option for you. No stress, no constant market monitoring. Just give your money to people and they would invest it for you. Now, some of the best mutual fund apps for Nigerians is Cowrywise. You can start with 5,000 naira and your returns vary between 8% to 15% per year. Or you can decide to use PiggyVest, Investify, invest in low risk funds from 3,000 naira and above. You notice that I'm mentioning low amount of money because I know how the economy is right now, inflation and all of that. So the salaries of many people is barely enough to fend for their basic necessities. So, but taking out little amount of money here and there would go a long way. It's different from Ajo. Ajo does not give you any interest at all. In fact, there's even risk. Most times you see that they are looking for the person that is holding the actual money. Anywho, so these 2 platforms I mentioned, Cowrywise, PiggyVest, Investify, and then there's also Chaka or Trove. You can buy shares in Nigeria and US companies from 10,000 naira. For example, you can invest 10,000 naira in a mutual fund with 10% annual interest. So in a year, that becomes 11,000 naira. Free 1,000 naira for doing nothing. Now imagine you are putting 10,000 naira each month, make it a habit. How much would you have made at the end of the year? If you are making 10%, if at the end of the year you put in 12 or 120,000 naira, which by calculating by 10,000 per month. So if at the end of the year you put in 120,000 naira, how much would you have made on top? 12,000 naira. That's the profit. It's the profit that is in my head. The interest is in my head. Anyway, let me ask you this question. Would you rather save money or invest it? So I want to know, type save or invest in the comments. Let me know your thoughts or your opinion, what you prefer. Step three is treasury bill. Yeah, no risk investment. You can start with 10,000 naira, and here's how it works. If you want something 100% secure, treasury bill are your best friend. The Nigerian government borrows money from you and pays you back with interest. So there's no loss, no stress, no story, no back and forth. Now, how do you invest in treasury bills? You can use apps like I Invest or use your bank apps, depending on what bank you're using. Just go through the options in your app, and then you can fund the account with 10,000 naira minimum. That's the minimum. Select a treasury bill. You can do 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, and you get to earn up to 8% interest per year with no effort. You're not doing anything. You just put your money there. So it's better that you put your money there. Like, let's say you invest 10,000 naira in a treasury bill and you get 8% profit. After 1 year, you would receive 10,800 naira. If you invest 10,000 naira every month for 1 year, you'd have over 130,000 naira, 130,000 naira instead of 120,000 naira. Do you get the point? So it's way, way better than a jar, saving in the bank or saving in Kolo. The fourth step that you can take is to invest in agriculture. Yes. What if I told you that you can invest in farming without stepping a foot into a farm? So there's these agro investment platforms. You can invest in real farms and earn money when they harvest. Now, a few best agricultural investment platforms is Thrive Agric. I'll write it out. Thrive Agric. You can start with 10,000 naira and earn 10 to 20% return of investment per cycle. The cycle is dependent on whatever crop they plant. Some crops have 3 months, 6 months, some 1 year. Just depends on whatever crop they have planted. And then there's also Farmcrowdy. You invest in different farms and get paid after harvest. For example, you invest 10,000 naira in a 6-month maize farm at 15% return. So after 6 months, you get 11,500 naira. Isn't that amazing? So would you invest in farming? Let me know. Yes or no in the comments. Step number 5 is to start a small reselling business. Yes. 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira, you can invest in something. Investment isn't just about stocks or, markets or funding. You can flip small money into big money by basically reselling profitable items. I'll just mention a few business ideas you can start with 10,000 naira. There's thrift clothes or Kerika. You can buy 10 items at 800 naira each and sell at 2,000 naira, package it well, and you're good to go. And that's 12,000 naira. So just keep flipping it that way, and your capital keeps increasing. Or you can invest in phone accessories. You buy 5 phone pouches, market to people. If you buy at 2,000 naira, you sell at 3,500 and you've made extra money. So, for example, you buy 10 items at 500 naira each and you sell at 2,000 naira each. You've made like how much? How much profit have you made? Calculate it. So let me know, would you try any of these side hustles? Type yes if you would try it, or type no if you would prefer to invest rather than do business, buying and selling. So basically, at the end of the day, money grows only when you put it to work. Even if you start small, the most important thing is starting. You can save 2,000 naira, you can save 5,000 naira, invest in mutual funds, treasury bills, or agriculture. You can even start a small business. So I want to know your thoughts. This is just a summary of ways that you can invest your money. All the while, I'm always telling you, make money, make money, make money. And when you make the money, what happens? Do you just spend it, and at the end of the day, you bite yourself that, oh, I didn't save anything or nothing to show for your hard work all through the years? So I want to know, which method will you try first? Comment below. If you like this type of content as regards to savings and investments, hit that like button. Let me know in the comments what topic you want me to talk about next. And of course, subscribe for more money making tips that actually work in Nigeria. That is the only thing I bring here. Something that works in Nigeria. For those of you who watch to the end, I have a very sweet bonus tip for my loyal viewers. Yes, one secret way to beat inflation, because I know many of you will be like, investing in naira is this and that. But then again, not everyone can afford to invest in dollars. But if you can, one secret way to beat inflation is to open a domiciliary account and convert part of your savings into dollars. So if you like this kind of content, like I said earlier, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family who you know are interested in savings and investments. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.